Pick the animal starting with A. Ant, antelope, alligator, ape. Very good! Which animal begins with the letter B? Bear, buffalo, bee. You are right! Identify the animal that starts with C. Cat, camel, cheetah. You start good. Spot the animal who starts with D. Dog, deer, dolphin, duck. Excellent start. Name an animal starting with E. Elephant, eagle. Keep it up. Find the animal that starts with F. Fox, frog, fish. That is correct. Choose an animal starting with G. Giraffe, goat, gorilla, goose. Well done! Which one is an animal starting with H? Horse, hippo, hyena. You did it! Identify the animal starting with I. Iguana, impala. Great job! Spot the animal that starts with J. Jaguar, jellyfish, jackal. So smart. Pick an animal starting with K. Kangaroo, koala, kingfisher. Perfect. Find the animal that starts with L. Lion, leopard, lizard, lamb. You are doing great. Which animal begins with M? Monkey, mouse, mole. Amazing work! Identify the animal that starts with N. Newt, nightingale. Nice one! Spot an animal starting with O. Owl, otter, octopus, ostrich. Superb! Pick an animal starting with P. Panda, penguin, pig. You are on fire! Find the animal starting with Q. Quail, quokka. Fantastic! Name an animal that starts with R. Rabbit, rat, rhino, raven. Wonderful! Which one starts with the letter S? Snake, shark, sheep. Good effort. Identify the animal starting with T. Tiger, turtle, turkey. Spot on. Find an animal starting with U. Uriel, Unao, umbrella bird. Correct answer. Pick the animal that starts with V. Vulture, viper. Way to go. Spot the animal starting with W. Wolf, whale, walrus, wasp. Outstanding! Which animal starts with X? X-ray tetra, Xerus. Brilliant! Identify the animal starting with Y. Yak, yellow jacket. You got it! Pick an animal starting with Z. Zebra, zebu. Best job!